Good afternoon. Dr. Scott Goldsmith here, Orthopaedic Medical Group. We are with Miss Ann, who is only 2 weeks out from her total knee replacement, done with a Jiffy type of approach. And Ann is actually headed back up north in a few days to go to her summer home, get out of the heat here. So Ann, tell us about these first 2 weeks. How has your experience been with the Jiffy Knee?
I think it's been pretty good. I was surprised at how relatively easy it was to walk out, and the anesthetic didn't run out for a day or so, and that was nice. But in general, the knee is absolutely fine. It's just going to take some time.
For sure. You are 2 weeks into a recovery that certainly takes a few months, if not longer. In terms of a walker, or crutches or cane. I know that you've used it sporadically, but when did you feel you were ready to go without it?
Oh, really 3 or 4 days without the walker. I've walked into the clinic here today and it was just fine.
That's fantastic. And what kind of pain medications have you required?
I've had the Tylenol, I've had meloxicam, I've had Jernix and baby aspirin. And what else? Did you
use an ice machine of any sort?
Oh yeah, ice machine is huge on this.
Yeah, why do you think it helps?
Well, with my other knee problem years ago, I used the ice machine 24/7, and it seemed to me to be just the right thing to fix it. And this one too has had the ice machine on it, not all the time because you're not supposed to do that, but a lot of the time. And I think that just helps with the swelling, that and elevation. I'm a good patient.
You are an excellent patient. And there's a reason your knee looks so good, and it has very little to do with me. So you're clearly doing all the hard work. And we wish you continued success. We look forward to seeing you back in several months so that you can show us that you're dancing.
Well, I will come back in.
Safe travels up north.
A little jig.
Fantastic. So another happy patient, and we love our Jiffy knees. And if you're hurting and you want to talk about knee replacement, and specifically with a Jiffy approach, come on into Orthopaedic Medical Group.